Hi, in this tutorial we're going to go over how to use the if-then function. In this spreadsheet I have the bill of materials for backpacks in a 25-pound box, and I want a column that shows the parent so I can compare the parent to the child, and I'm going to do that with an if-then function. So basically you're saying if a certain argument is true, then this value; if not, then this value. So I'm going to go over here and first cut the text here, or copy it. And over here, I'm going to go equals if this equals quote parent. So if this cell is parent, I want it to equal this cell. If it's not, I want it to equal the cell above it. I'm going to close the parentheses and hit enter. So since this is parent, it makes the argument true, and it takes the value of this cell. So if I copy this down, this isn't parent, so it's taking the second value of the cell above it. So that's how I'm going to get a list of parent and match it up with a child. And then I can copy this down. We can see here it changes. Down here it changes once we get to the halibut, and so on and so forth, and I can copy this all the way down. So that's how you use the if-then function. There are so many ways to use it. I don't even know how to describe it. I've used it for so many things, and it's extremely useful. So thank you for watching.